This is a video to show parents how to navigate Pearson SuccessNet, which is a website we use for reading and for math. So first we'll start by logging on. You'll need your child's username and your child's password. And this is the screen you should see once you log on. Reading Street is up here, Envision's Math is right here, and you'll see your child's textbooks. This is the Reading Street textbook. This is the sleuth book that we use in class. And then this is the math book. For the math book, you'll see colored math pages that are folded in half that come home. Those pages actually come out of this book. And that any readers that your teacher has assigned your child will be right here. For example, here's reading maps and globes. So you can click on this. And this is a reader I've assigned to my students. And the students will be able to read this reader by themselves, or they can click on the box, little sound icon, and it will read it to them. So either way is okay. Okay, let's go back up here. Now, to explore the Pearson website for reading, you'll click on the to-do list. This will bring them to a screen that will show them any assignments we've assigned them, such as tests. We ask that tests are not done at home. They are done at school on Fridays. Tests are done online and are 15 questions. Normally the teacher will assign the test the night before or even the morning of the test. So tests are completed in school. And if you want to view your child's progress, you can go up to the progress button, click on test, and you can look and see how they answered questions and look and see what were the test questions like for that week and see your child's progress. Now we're going to go and explore. That will take you to the table of contents. Our reading series is divided into 6 units. Currently, we're in unit number 1. This is the big question that we're exploring through all the units inside this first unit. Let's click on that. You'll see our 5 stories. We have week 6, which is review week. So when we do review week, we do story 1 on Monday, story 2 on Tuesday, story 3 on Wednesday, this one on Thursday, and story 5 on Friday. Now I'm going to click on an actual week with this story, not a review week, so you can kind of see what's available. On day 1, we do a lot of videos and songs with the kids, so you now have access to everything the teachers do that we sometimes show in class. So if you click on View, you'll have a couple different choices. You have to get ready to read and like the concept talk video we do in class. If you click on that and click Start, it'll prepare the video for you, and all you have to do is hit play. The kids have seen many of these videos, but sometimes we only watch them 1 or 2 times, so it's okay to watch them again at home. And you hit play right here to play the video. Okay. Now on day 2, we have our main selection e-text, which means that is another way to get to this online edition of the reading book. You will also see vocabulary activities on this day. So day 2 is a good day to go to practice. To get to the main selection e-text, you highlight that. Click on Start Reading. It'll open up another window. And once again, you will have the opportunity to either read the story to yourself, or the child can go ahead and have a page read to them. I'll click on this icon. A little box will appear. And you can move it out of the way if it gets in the way of words as well.
Characters. Narrator.
And you can pause it at any time. This will be the way that you navigate the pages right here on the arrows. And there's an activity afterwards. A lot of times it has to do with writing. Okay, now let's go back to Unit 1. If you'd like to have everything all in one place, one thing you can do is go into the interactive review. And it has a lot of the good stuff, like here's Twin Day, and here's the second story on day 2. And they have a lot of good stuff in this area as well. If you don't want to go through all the days under the stories, this is a good place where they have all the stuff all together in one area. So that is it for reading. Let's take a look at math. Let's go back to Explorer. Notice we're in reading, so let's go home. Vision's Math is right here, and we click on Explore on this tab. Okay, and it's divided up by topics. Right now, let's go to topic 3. And let's say we do lesson 3-6. So click on this. And this will allow you to look at the different things we did interactively with the kids. So this is the math video we show them each day. And then they also have a guided practice piece. So to go, you just go to the next screen.
Read and understand.
You can see it reads it to them. And there's a guided practice piece as well that goes over the inside of their math book. Okay, they also may offer you the chance to do some math tools up here, and those are things that you can play around with and have the kids do a little more exploring. So that is the interactive piece for reading and for math. I hope this video helped.